స్వాగతం. నా పేరు శిరీష. నేను థర్డ్ క్లాస్ టీచర్గా ఉన్నాను. నేను మీకు తెలుగు సబ్జెక్ట్ చెప్పడం జరుగుతుంది. దీనికి గాను మనము తెలుగులో మొత్తం మనకి 12 లెసన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 12 లెసన్స్ లో మనకి ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ కాను 4 లెసన్స్ ఉంటాయి. దానిలో ఫస్ట్ లెసన్ మనకి విశాల భారతం, సెకండ్ లెసన్ భీముని బలం, థర్డ్ లెసన్ చందమామ చెప్పినట్లు, ఫోర్త్ లెసన్ వెలుగు. ఈ లెసన్స్ ని మనము రాబోయే ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసుల్లో ఒక్కొక్క లెసన్ గురించి మనము వివరంగా వివరించుకుందాము. తర్వాత మనము నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చే మనకి బేసిక్ హోంవర్క్స్ గురించి మాట్లాడుకుందాము. మీరు ముందు తరగతుల్లో నేర్చుకున్న సబ్జెక్ట్ మొత్తాన్ని ఒకసారి రిమైండ్ చేసుకోగలరు. ముందు తరగతుల్లో మీరు నేర్చుకున్న సిలబస్ అచ్చులు, హల్లులు, గుణితపు గుర్తులు, ఒత్తులు ఇవన్నీ ఒకసారి రిమైండ్ చేసుకోగలరు. ఇవే మీకు బేసిక్ హోంవర్క్ గా రావడం జరుగుతుంది. దీనితో పాటు 2 అక్షరాల పదాలు, 3 అక్షరాల పదాలు, 4 అక్షరాల పదాలు, 5 అక్షరాల పదాలు వీటిని మీరు సేకరించి ఒక్కొక్క దానికి 20 ఉదాహరణలు రాయగలరు. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ లో మనము ఫస్ట్ లెసన్ గురించి చర్చించుకుందాం. ఓకే.
ओम नमो वेंकटेशाय। नमस्ते, मेरा नाम पी कविता राज है। मैं आपको हिंदी विषय के बारे में बताने आई हूँ। आप सभी से मिलने मुझे बहुत खुशी है। बच्चों, आप कैसे हैं? कोरोना के कारण आप सब घर पर हैं, सुरक्षित हैं, मैं समझती हूँ। लेकिन ऑनलाइन क्लासेस को आप सभी को मेरा स्वागत है। मैं आप अब थर्ड क्लास पर आए हैं। पहले लास्ट साल आप सेकंड क्लास पर पढ़े हैं, लेकिन थर्ड क्लास के हम शुरू करने से पहले हम सेकंड क्लास में हम क्या क्या सीखे हैं, क्या क्या पढ़े हैं, क्या हमें अपनाए हैं, उसके बारे में एक बार याद कर लेंगे। चलो हम एक बार दूसरी कक्षा में हम क्या क्या सीखे हैं उसके बारे में स्मरण कर लेंगे। ठीक है, हम दूसरी कक्षा में वर्णमाला, स्वर ध्वनि, मात्राएं और 2 अक्षर वाले शब्द, 3 अक्षर वाले शब्द, 4 अक्षर वाले शब्द हम सीखे हैं। उससे बाद हम आ की मात्रा, आ की मात्रा, ई की मात्रा, ई की मात्रा और ऊ की मात्रा, ऊ की मात्रा भी हम सीख लिए हैं। इससे साथ साथ सब्जियों के नाम, शरीर के अंगों के नाम और गिनती ये सब हम सीखे हैं। इससे बाद हम वाक्य रचना भी हम सीखे हैं। लेकिन बच्चों, अब तैयार है? अब थर्ड क्लास के पर जाने के लिए हम थर्ड क्लास में क्या क्या सीखते हैं उसके बारे में आपको मैं शाम पट पर दिखाती हूँ। अब तैयार है ना? चलो शुरू करते हैं शाम पट को। अब थर्ड क्लास है, अब दूसरी कक्षा से थर्ड क्लास आए हैं। उस विषय सूची में हम क्या क्या सीखना माने हैं, हमारा देश के बारे में और पुनरअभ्यास माने क्या है। अब दूसरी कक्षा में आप क्या क्या सीखे हैं उसके बारे में एक बार मनन करते हैं। और रू की मात्रा माने क्या है, रू की मात्रा से आने वाले शब्दों के बारे में हम सीख लेंगे। और एक ही मात्रा, उसी प्रकार रू की मात्रा के बाद हम क्या सीखे हैं उसी प्रकार एक ही मात्रा से आने वाले शब्दों को भी हम सीख लेंगे। ठीक है, और एक ही मात्रा वाला शब्द, इसी प्रकार हम एक ही मात्रा वाले शब्दों पर भी हम सीख लेंगे। बीच बीच में हम उसके बारे में कुछ कहानी के द्वारा और कविता के द्वारा और कुछ मॉरल वैल्यू के स्टोरीज के द्वारा हम थर्ड क्लास को हम शुरू करने के लिए अपने पेरेंट्स के द्वारा हमके मदद करने के लिए मैं प्रार्थना करती हूँ। लेकिन एक विषय मैं बताना चाहती हूँ कि एक कोरोना के कारण हमारे सरकारी ने पाठशाला शुरू करने के लिए हमको समय नहीं मिला है। इसलिए मैं कहती हूँ कि कोरोना एक कहरे बचे, इसलिए आप सब घर पर रहकर सुरक्षित रहना की मेरा मुख्य विषय है। धन्यवाद। बच्चों, एक मुख्य विषय है हम सेकंड क्लास से थर्ड क्लास पाठ्यांश को शुरू करने से पहले हम वर्णमाला, स्वर की मात्राएं, स्वर के संबंधित अक्षरों को भारकड़ी, ये सब अपने गृह कार्य के रूप में एक अलग किताब रखकर घर पर लिखना चाहिए, उसको सीखना चाहिए। ऐसा करने से हम आसानी से थर्ड क्लास को हम अच्छी तरह पढ़ाने के लिए हमको समय मिलते हैं।
Hi children, how are you? Hope you all are doing well at your homes and enjoying with your parents and siblings, right? Okay, we have online classes that our management is providing to learn from our homes. Okay, this is your English teacher Harika. I am going to teach English to you, and I am very happy to inform you that you got promotion to the next class and you will get different stories and different poems in English. In the previous class, you discussed many things, that many stories and many poems you listened, and different grammatical parts you discussed, and different work, that means vocabulary or the parts of speech or the degrees of comparison, like this we discussed in the previous classes. We will have the same topics with new stories and poems even in this third class. Let's see what are the contents that we have, what are the lessons and poems that we have in our first term English textbook. If I could be an astronaut. Children, do you know who is an astronaut? Oh, we can come to know who is an astronaut in this poem. And here is an interesting lesson. It is Lara the turtle. Turtle. Do you know what is a turtle? She doesn't like its shell. Okay, we can have a very good and interesting story in this lesson. And have you listened the names Akbar and Birbal? Oh, we listened many stories. Akbar was a king. Birbal was his minister. Birbal was a very talented and intelligent person. He used to solve many problems that came to Akbar's court. Even here we will have a problem and its solution by Birbal. It is very interesting. And also the next it is the colorful lesson Rainbow. Are you interested to listen this? Oh, very nice. And every child is very interested to listen and to learn more about the animals, right? Yes, we discuss about animals in this poem at the zoo. And next it is the golden touch. Don't you like the gold, children? Everyone likes gold. Just imagine once whatever you touch and whatever we drink or whatever it may be, if it turns into gold, do you feel happy? No. Why? Because we will be unable to eat and drink. Okay, the character in this lesson, actually he was very fond of gold. How did he get rid of that problem of a golden touch? We can discuss in this lesson. And next one it is the Mysore Palace. Have you visited it? Which is in Karnataka. If you didn't visit, so we can have a very good description about the Mysore Palace in this lesson. These all are very interesting, right? You are so eager to listen. Let's listen all these topics in our online classes. Okay children, let's have an activity now. See, identify the animals from the given clues. The first one, it is I love milk and I rhyme with bag. Children, I repeat, I love milk and I rhyme with bag. Do you know the answer? Well, it is cat. What is the second question? I am slow and slippery. Are you understanding? I am slow and slippery. I rhyme with tail. Can you guess the answer? I repeat the question. I am slow and slippery. I rhyme with tail. Yes, I am a snail. And next one it is the sea is my home and I rhyme with dark. I repeat the question. The sea is my home and I rhyme with dark. What's the answer? I'm a shark. Let's see the next question. My food is grass and I chew all day. I rhyme with bow. And who am I? I repeat the question. My food is grass and I chew all day. I rhyme with bow. And who am I? I'm a cow. Next question. I give you eggs, children. This is very easy question to you. Listen. I give you eggs and I rhyme with den. I am a, yes, you are right. It is hen. And the last final one it is, I like hanging upside down. You find me in caves. I rhyme with mat. I repeat the question. I like hanging upside down. You find me in caves. I rhyme with mat. I am a bat. Well children, I hope you enjoyed this session. Let's meet with a new topic in the next class. Before that, I would like to give a little information regarding your homework. See, you have fundamental homework that 6 days continuously. It will be very easy. Why? Because the homework based on fundamentals. So, you are able to write answers very easily. If you wish, you can take your parents' help. And while the classes are going on, you will get the homework even from the topics that the teachers discuss in this online classes. You will listen the classes and you will be able to write the homeworks very easily. And here is a request to the parents that we already asked you to submit your email ID at the office. If not, we request you to create a new ID and please submit it at the office. In this regard, if you have any doubt, please approach the management or consult at the office. Okay children, let's meet in the next class with a beautiful and interesting topic that we have in our text. Let's meet in the next class. Till then, bye.
Om Namo Venkatesaya. Welcome to our 7 Hills High School online classes. My name is Naglata. I teach 3rd class maths and I am 3rd class teacher also. Hi students, how are you? I think you are safe and healthy at your home. Have all homeworks and exams completed in holidays? But if you don't complete writing homeworks and exams, make it complete now. If you need to quickly complete the homeworks and exams, let's get into next classes. Okay? Past is past. All students, congratulations who have studied 2nd class from our school to promoted 3rd class. Let's start with promoted class syllabus today onwards with happily, and I believe you will enjoy these classes. Next, we will go to our first term content here. Okay students, next let's move on to contents. First one is revision. Second one is numbers up to 9,999. Third one is addition. Lastly, finally one is subtraction. You know that revision, what you learn in 2nd class, that content will be revised here. Okay? Those chapters briefly we will discuss further classes. We will move on to basic homework. Here 6 days homework given below. First one homework, write numbers 1 to 500 one time. You know the numbers? Here write means neatly draw the lines arrange the box after arrange the columns after write the neatly homework. Next, day 2 homework, write number names 1 to 100. Next, day 3 homework, write and learn 2 to 15 tables. Day 4 homework, from any 10 additions with 2 or 3 digit numbers. Day 5, from any 10 subtractions with 2 or 3 digit numbers, with or without borrowing. Next, day 6 homework, from any 10 multiplications with single or 2 digit numbers. Okay, thank you.
Hi children, welcome to Seven Hills online classes. My name is K. Jyoti. I am your science and social teacher. Children, now you are promoted from 2nd class to 3rd class up to 2nd classes. In your previous classes, you have learned only EVS. EVS is the combination of science and social. From now 3rd class onwards, EVS is divided into science and social. In our science first term, you have total 4 lessons. First lesson, living and non-living things. This lesson we learn about the things around us which is living and non-living thing. Second lesson, parts of plant. This lesson we learn about the parts of the plant and their uses. Third lesson, feeding habits of animals. In this lesson we learn about the animals, different types of animals having their different types of food habits. Fourth lesson, organs and organ systems. This lesson we learn about the organs and organ systems in our body. Based on these 4 lessons, we will plan some fundamental homeworks to understand more better. So first one, day 1 you have to write some names of fruits, vegetables and flowers. Day 2, write parts of our body. Day 3, write some living and non-living things. Day 4, write some names of animals and aquatic animals. Day 5, practice leaf diagram and its parts. Day 6, draw parts of plant and label it parts. Okay children, in our next class we will learn about our first lesson. Thank you. Okay children, let's come to our social syllabus. In our first term you have total 6 lessons. First lesson, our universe. This lesson we learn about the sun, moon and the earth. Second lesson, the earth. This lesson we learn about the continents, oceans and the movements of the earth. Third lesson, finding places. This lesson we learn about the directions and plan sketches. Fourth lesson, taking care of the earth. This lesson we learn about the earth, how we protect our earth from pollution and how can we prevent the pollution. Fifth lesson, history. This lesson we learn about our history and the past and timelines. Fifth lesson, prehistory, early people. This lesson we learn about the early people, their food habits and their behavior. Based on this 6th lesson, we will give some fundamental homeworks to understand more better. First one, draw our solar system diagram and write the planet names. Write and learn continents and oceans. Third one, write about our national flag. Fourth one, how many states in India and their names. Write their names. Fifth one, how many districts in AP, write their names. Sixth lesson, write about the directions.